So, kamusta ulit? At welcome sa aking channel. Saan maglalago na naman tayo ng Filipino horror game nga na naman. Shoutout dyan kay Boss Mogushi. Ay siya ang gumawa na lago na to. So ayun, lalaguin natin ay nagpapangalang Project Threshold. Kung saan isa tayong test subject at kailangan daw natin harapin ang mga kinakatakutan natin. Pipili tayo ng blue door at red door. At hindi natin alam kung ano ang mga laman nito. At ang option natin ay mag-survive, man. Survival Philippines, man. So, yun, kailangan natin mag-survive upang makapunta tayo sa another door nga na naman ulit. Well, anyway, simulan na natin. Zit! Ayun na nga.
Project Threshold.
Wow. Enter your name. Toby. Wait, ayusin natin. Toby. Okay, Toby.
Thank you for registering for the program. Welcome to Project Threshold. If
Okay.
you look to your right, you will see a board
Right.
explaining your objective.
Okay.
First, you will encounter 10 sets of 2 doors, 1 blue and 1 red. Each hides a different phobia. We will not tell you which is which. Some are harmless and some will kill you. Second, each set of doors has a button beside it. Pressing it will open the selected door. But be warned, once a door is opened, the other will remain locked. You must face whatever door you've chosen. Third, survive and reach the end. To begin, locate the complementary torch and room key within this room. Good luck.
Okay. Complementary talaga yung torch. Okay. Tsaka susi. Okay, simulan na natin. How do I run? Oh, there's no running. Okay. Parang sa Matrix lang. Blue pill o red pill. Okay. Sige, maniwala tayo sa blue. Okay. What just happened? Okay, di tayo takot sa mga gagamba, mga arachnophobia dyan. Ayun. Ay! How did we die, man? Tinalunan tayo ng Okay. So, which means pangit yung gagamboy. Okay, right. So, siguro yung character natin may takot sa gagamba, man. Ano to? Okay, ipis. Tapakan lang natin yan. Kaso, lalaking ipis, man. Get off me. All hope is lost. Ayun. Hindi! Bakit may katawan dyan? Ano to? My name is John Carlos Atienza. I was desperate trying to make money to pay off my debt. I thought this was going to be an easy task. I was so wrong. I regret coming here. We all regret coming here. Ayun lang, man. Na-scam kayo, man. Ay, nako. So, wait. So, isa tayong test subject dito. So, tinanggap din natin yung pera. Na-scam din tayo, man. So, anyways, wala tayong pake. Malay mo naman, bigay sa ating pera. Ano to? Anyo nga sa'yo. Huwag mo sabihin takot to sa mga tao. Okay. Hey! Matakot ka talaga sa mga taong ganun, man. Babatiin ka lang, tatakbuhan ka pa. Anyo nga sa'yo. Look at it. Tingnan natin yan. Okay, sige. Look at it. Okay. Tudor. Ano to? Takot sa mga baby? Holy shit. Gagi. Mga test subject din? Okay, There's no escape. I doubt it, man. Everything here is terrifying. You never know what you're going to encounter next. I almost got killed back there. Frank saved me. He pushed me out of the way before that thing got to me. He sacrificed himself for us. He kept talking about his daughter before we came in here. Said the money would have changed their lives. I'm sorry, Frank. Once I make it out of this place, I'll give half of my earnings to your daughter. Thank you, man. Kung sino ka man. May your soul rest in peace. Oh, shit. Okay, ano to? There's no escape. Ano? Ano? Masama yan. Ano to? Hindi ko to gusto. Safe? Wow. Hello? Ano to? Uy! Ay! May sumusunod pala sa likod ko. Okay. Don't look at it. Sige na. Dapat pala hindi natin tinigdan. Sagi. Ay, back to zero ulit tayo. Dito? Tagay na natin dito, Redor. Okay. Mukhang takot to sa dugo, man. Pati sa pangmamata ng mga tao. Ang lalaki, oh. What the heck? Ano to? Next is... Okay, door. Ano to? So, we're in a jungle, man. Ah! Putik ahas! Alagi. Okay, simulan ulit natin. Okay, ito yung pinili natin kanina eh. Blue dog, man. Okay, yun lang. Takot sa mga butas. Ops. Grabe, may mga mata yun. If you move, it will kill you. This isn't an ordinary place. Well, I guess it is. Ay, blue dog. Holy shit. May takot sa daga. Okay, tandaan natin to ha. If you move, it will kill you, man. It's my torch. Eh, gagi. Hindi ako gumalaw, ah. Hindi ako gumalaw. Subukan mo. Grabe. Pating talaga, man. Hindi ako gumagalaw talaga. Okay. It's a prank. It's a prank, man. Okay, get out of there. Ang bagal. Come on. Okay. Ano to? No one survives in this hellhole. There's something breathing within this place. Siguro malapit lang kayo naghihingahan sa gilid ninyo. Okay, ano to? What the f***? Human sushi! Let's go! Okay. There is no escape from this place. Teresa got turned into a f***ing human sushi by those freaks. And then Teresa? This is hopeless. I don't think I can keep going through these rooms anymore. If you're reading this and still finding my notes, then maybe I am still alive. But if the notes stop, then I'm dead. Well, I hope you're alive, man. Come on. Wait, anong gagawin na ito? No way. Oh my God. Kinakain niya. Well, nasimulan mo na. Kainin mo na. The subject ka man. Nagugutom ka naman siguro dyan. Tandaan natin ang objective. Survival Philippines. Wow, inubos niya talaga. Gutom na gutom yarn. The heck? Okay, ano to? Okay, door. Wow. Ano to? Takot sa mga manikin, man? Oh! Okay, may notes. Ibig sabihin, buhay pa siya. Ano to? If anyone reading this, the organization that brought us here, those fuckers promised us this would be easy. They said our debts would be paid off. They offered 5 million pesos. Wow. Yaka ba dyan dito? Joke. Hindi ko isusugal ang aking buhay. Gawin mo 10 mil. We were never participants. We were test subjects. Exactly, man. If anything is free, man, and they're going to pay you, or you are a test subject. Okay, pula ulit. Try nga natin pula ulit. Oh no, man. Ano to? Ano sabi? Wala, okay. Ano to? What should we do? Oh, hell no. Pwede bang i-avoid to? Well, anyways. Light them up, man. This is diabolical. Ano to? What? Okay, green light, red light. Okay, man. I ain't moving a single muscle. Ang bilis mo! Ano? Bilis nyo! Madaya talaga to. Oh, hell no. Kamukha niya si Daredevil with a mustache, man. Yep. Ay! What am I supposed to do, man? Okay, wag na natin niya kainin. Blue door. Oh, oh, don't kill me, man. Ay! Ito na nga. Hint lang. Hindi ko nakita yung cross. Sorry, kailangan nga pala yung cross. Tumalapit tayo sa kanya na wala tayong cross. Okay. The power of Christ compels you. Ano? Takot ka sa cross? The power of Christ compels you, man. Nadaya siya. Takot ka, no? Daredevil with a mustache. Ang daya niyo. Alam ko na yung moves mo, man. Okay. I'm moving a single muscle. O ano? O, papatayin na kita. Get off, man. Basic. Oh, shit. Takot to sa mga long necks. Takot ba yun sa alak? Okay, blue door. Ito. Oh, fuck! Kailangan ko yung cross na yun. The power of Christ, man! Susuntukin ko yun pag nakita ko sa daan. Oh. So, piliin natin ang red. Meron dito. What is this, man? Afraid of a fat mans? Excuse me lang po. Okay. Siguro pwede naman na tayo mag-blue. Hey! Buisit! Buisit mga bata na yan, man. Okay, balik tayo ulit sa pala. Oh my fucking siguro yung gumagawa ng outfit, patay na. Ano naman to? Oh shit. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 7. Oh my god, nagdali effect.
Congratulations.
Wow.
You have completed Project Threshold. You've done an amazing job overcoming your fears. Thank you, and have a bloody good day.
Yay! 5 million is all the way, man. Have a bloody good day. Fucking diabolical. Oto. What is that, man? Oh, hell no. Bakit blank space lang yan? Taylor Swift yarn. Okay, ano yan? Paano tayo makakatakas dyan? Oh my god, tumalon siya. Dagat. Okay. I'm moving. Ay! Putek. Oh my god, those scammers! Registered subject, Toby. Subject ID 4480. Status disease. Cause of death. Silang, 310. Oh my god. Intensity ticket level extreme. Oh my god. Oh my god, wala yung 5 million ko! Silang 310 threshold. Silang 310. Also known as threshold is a living anomaly disguised as a place. It feeds on fear, trauma, and memory. Every room, hallway, and door is generated from the minds of those trapped within it. The deeper a subject travels, the more personal the manifestations become. The anomaly has demonstrated the ability to mimic entity previously documented by Silang, including Silang 289 Face. No subject has ever escaped. Silang believes Silang 310 is connected to the entity known as Kinawag, which the organization has been searching for decades. Okay, wait lang. Naalala ko yung Silang Taguan, man. Tawag nila dyan sa mga yan, yung mga silang. Okay, pang mga SCP subjects. Okay. Hey!